Before I start configuring SAP system according to the business requirements, let me show you the project type which I will be following in order to configure UK company code. So here are the types of projects. Greenfield implementation project. SAP S/4HANA is implemented as a new ERP system for an organization, replacing the old one. Rollout implementation project. SAP implementation is done for an organization in one country, and that the same implementation template is rolled out globally to other companies for the same organization located in different countries. And then country-specific changes are made, such as local taxation rules, etc. So, as the SAP system currently is not being used by any of our companies, so we will implement UK company code as Greenfield implementation project or as a new ERP system. And then if we roll out that company code, that is UK company code, in order to create US company code and German company code and China company code, then it will be a rollout implementation project. So according to our business requirements, we have to configure UK company code and US company code for intercompany sales and purchase transactions. So I will be following a mix of Greenfield implementation project for UK company because I have to demonstrate you the end-to-end implementation for SAP S/4HANA sales module. And I will be using rollout implementation for US company code. The next type of project is Brownfield implementation project. SAP ERP is migrated to SAP S/4HANA without re-implementation and without disruption to existing business processes. It means if an organization is already using SAP system, but it is an older version of SAP S/4HANA version, that is SAP ERP or SAP ECC, and now that organization wants to migrate to SAP S/4HANA Business Suite, that is the latest version of SAP, then the project type will be Brownfield implementation project. Support project. SAP system is already implemented and now the support is provided. In case of any errors or issues or any change requests are made by the business users. So as its name suggests, the support is provided to the business users in case of any errors or issues or any change requests which were not identified initially during the business requirements gathering. So in that case, the support consultants implement that change request. For example, a change into the PDF form. So all those change requests are handled by the support team. Upgrade SAP version. An organization wants to upgrade its SAP S/4HANA from 2020 to 2021. So this is a type of mini project in which the organization wants to test the newer version, ensure that the newer version should not break any of their existing business processes into the live environment. So they will first test the newer version before the newer version is upgraded by SAP.